on to the other big story that we are tracking at this point of time is this concert visual of Atif Aslam, who's a Pakistani singer. Now watch it carefully. It's a concert which is taking place in Karachi. Atif Aslam is performing for his fans, but he gives a signal to stop the band for a moment. He goes near a person near his stage and he points out. Now, Atif Aslam comes to rescue of a woman who was at the concert, and Atif Aslam saw that she was being molested by a man, and that's when he stopped the concert, asked the security guards to take the man away and pull the woman up on the stage as well to rescue her. And this is a gesture which has won hearts of many of his fans. He halted the concert midway and saved the girl from the eve teasers around her. He halted the concert when he spotted that the girl was being troubled, and not only that, he asked the security guards to usher those who couldn't behave themselves out, and pulled up the girl on the stage so that she's escorted safely outside. This concert that happened in Karachi also showing the way that how the singer came to the rescue of one of his female fans.
एक सेकंड, तुमने कभी लड़की देखी है? तुम्हारी माँ बहन भी हो सकती है यहाँ पे, हाँ? Come on, Umar, rescue her, rescue her, rescue her. Yeah.
My colleague Kaswar is joining us on this story. Now, Kaswar, take us through what exactly happened at the concert. We also understand Atif Aslam had a word or two to say to these goons who were harassing the woman, saying that "Insan ka bacha ban, be a human," and that's where a message was sent across by a Pakistani singer to his fans as well.
Well, definitely, it all happened last weekend when Atif Aslam and with his all colleagues had a concert in Karachi. It is the post city of Pakistan's financial hub. And during the midnight of his performance, Atif Aslam stopped abruptly after witnessing a girl being harassed by his fellow men at the front rows. And definitely, it was a historic moment that has been praised not only in Pakistan but also, as you have mentioned, across the globe. And he just picked up the girl and also that was being harassed by his fellow men and rescued the girls. And definitely, as you have mentioned, the Aapki Maa Bain, as your mother and your sister might be in the concert, so definitely stop harassing your fellow woman. So definitely, it was the heroic, move by the noted Pakistani singer that has not only praised by his fans in Pakistan but also across the globe as well.
Absolutely, and his fans are also playing tributes for him. The Tweeple or the Twitterati is singing praises for Atif Aslam as well, and going on record to say and commend the singer for his bold step, and a message also for a lot of other celebrities who could emulate Atif Aslam's example as well. Taking you through also to how there are different media outlets that are reporting this. International media outlets are also saying that he stops his concert. Massive respect for Atif Aslam. Stops midway during his performance, goes on the first row, rescues a girl from harassing, and he's just become a sensation on the Twitter and social media as well. Pakistan pop star Atif Aslam stopped show to rescue girl being harassed, and he says it's about respect that you have earned today. What an inspirational move also from the singer, showing the way of how women should be treated.
Rescue her.